Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Researchers and conservationists stress that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is blank. For example, people can take simple steps such as washing their footwear after travel to avoid introducing potentially invasive organisms into new environments. So the text highlights how researchers and conservationists stress that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is that it can be stopped, because it highlights in the next sentence that people can take simple steps like washing their footwear to avoid introducing potentially invasive organisms. So the focus is on how biodiversity loss due to invasive species can be stopped. So the best word to fit this blank would highlight how it can be stopped. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Preventable. This seems to be the correct answer because preventable means that it can be stopped, and that captures the correct meaning, which is that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is preventable. And the next sentence supports this because it highlights how a simple step like washing their footwear can avoid introducing potentially invasive organisms. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Undeniable. This is incorrect because undeniable in this context would mean that it cannot be proven wrong. And in this case, that would mean that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is indeed true, that it happens. But this doesn't correctly capture the right meaning because the next sentence focuses on how biodiversity loss can be avoided through simple steps, not that it's not undeniable. Therefore, undeniable would not properly fit this blank, and B is incorrect. C. Common. This is incorrect because this would imply that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is common, or that it occurs frequently. But this isn't really mentioned in the text that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is rather common. So because of this, we can't assume that common would work well in this blank, and therefore C must be incorrect. D. Concerning. This is incorrect because concerning in this case would mean that biodiversity loss due to invasive species is concerning. Although this is implied by the whole text in the context of it, this isn't the focus of the text, and therefore D, concerning, is incorrect. And the correct answer is A.